side. PT gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right.
Hi guys, I started this video already, but you know how that goes. Right now he ain't ramble. Shopping. Oop. Shopping. I don't know what to get there because I don't know. All these clothes ain't here too big for me. But I seen some cute things. I don't know. These outfits are so cute, bro. Look at this one. And the class. Oh, I got this bag. I try not to wear in camouflage because you know how that goes. You're not supposed to wear in camouflage, but hey, we do what we want, right? Anyhow, I just here looking through. I'm gonna get one of the clothing haul though. Oh my god, this dress is cute. Wait, too low. I don't know how to do that. I can't do the lower cut thing. I don't only got shirts, I got like layer dresses too. I got like 2 dresses.
So yeah, so you got 2 dresses.
The
The pants, you should get those.
Yeah.
You don't want white pants, right? Okay. The pants, shorts or
None of these shorts ain't here, can't fit me.
but you think the tops are gonna fit, right?
Yeah, these shirts gonna fit. I think I done shop. I think I done. My face look clean though. I see when I wanna get.
We cater to you. We cater to you. And we cater to you. And we cater to
Either this summer, huh? A poetry book. Yes, a poetry book either this summer.
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed phones on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017.
I don't know how continuing. I just got it myself now. It look good. I like that. Thank you. Let's see it now. Keep it on this for me. Yes. 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 As you see, I went here there's a whole, I'm not trying on it because I already tried them on and I forget to card, but I can just show you what I get. I can show you shirts. I got this shirt. This look, I see this because I already can't go for this one. I don't wear it out in Barbados. This catch my eye from time we walking. My father says we're supposed to go close to try to get some. Yes. Yes. We got some bright colors. So this one is up. Yeah. Then I get matching PJs. So apparently that's what you're doing get older and they should answer it. This is a pink shirt. I don't wear pink. But I got me some rich clothes again, like we said. So yeah, I got this video though, cause some more rich clothes. There's a rest of the shirt. It got like strings in the top, like over here, and the strings just come up like heavier strings on the shirt. So those bits now just say kind of what you want. But yeah, a cute whatever. I got 3 jeans bags. This one, this loose one, plain blue. I got this one shines. Acid wash, black, navy, plain of cut ups, nothing cause just because I got a black one too, but every time I make and I never some more shirts, white, yellow, so yeah, next one, that's right down the next one shirt, and then we got this pink one with shirt, black shirt. Oh, you got your white shoes. Yeah. You got earrings? Silver? Like that. I got this pink shirt with blue stripes. This looks so cute on me. And I got this plain black dress. It's the minis and it's cute, but I think they're a bit tight. But that could get stretched over. Oh yeah, but and I don't know if it's very good. I don't know. If they're less. But yeah, this. Don't know we're gonna get this edit and get all the way up on one because I put it to my. I start this video from my camera on 4%. So I'm gonna try that on my game. It is. But yeah, I got it long before she copyright me. Which one? Yeah, because it matched that with the tune. Thank you. You're welcome. But yeah, I don't have this any video. Just later. Well, I guess that was the end video. Hold on. My phone just like gonna tell me yeah, that's done. So I can see one in that video and I gonna get this edit. And I can see one later. You want some burger? Bye. Them boy don't got no Barbie.